ka. Please be seated. Thank you very much, Roma. Unfortunately, you will have to stand up again, graduates, because at this moment you are going to express your alumni oath, being the alumni of the World City Colleges starting tomorrow. So for now, we call on the 2012-2013 valedictorian of the World City Colleges High School, Mr. Bon Jovi Bagastan, to lead the alumni oath.